Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at one of the most exquisite jewelry brands out there, Hakim Jewelry. For over 30 years, Hakim Jewelry has been crafting some of the most stunning pieces of jewelry you'll ever see. Their commitment to quality and attention to detail is evident in every single piece they create, from elegant necklaces to sparkling earrings and beyond. What sets Hakim Jewelry apart from other brands is their ability to create unique, one-of-a-kind pieces that truly stand out. Whether you're looking for something classic and timeless, or something modern and edgy, they've got you covered. But it's not just their incredible designs that make Hakim Jewelry so special. They're also committed to using only the finest materials, like diamonds, gemstones, and precious metals. And their dedication to ethical and sustainable practices ensures that every piece is not only beautiful, but also responsibly made. So if you're looking for a piece of jewelry that's truly special, look no further than Hakim Jewelry. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll showcase some of their most stunning pieces.